At this point in our agenda, I would like to introduce Portia McDonald-Dewhurst, the Executive Director of the Canadian Ag HR Council, and Marcel Hacot, and I believe Marcel has recently retired or is in the process of retiring. I'm not quite sure what the timeline on that is. And these two today will be presenting an award that's very near and dear to the hearts of the staff and team at CFA, and it's the Bridget Rivoire Award for Champions of Agriculture Mental Health. And we're also going to hear a presentation from this year's winner. So with that, Portia and Marcel, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Mary. Hello, everyone. I'm really pleased to be here with you today to present this important award, the Bridget Rivoire Award for Champions of Agricultural Mental Health, along with Marcel Hacot, the Executive Director of the Canadian Agricultural Safety Association. The Champions of Agricultural Mental Health Award annually recognizes a specific initiative that has made outstanding contributions in raising awareness, addressing stigma, and supporting mental health for farmers in their local communities. The winner receives $2,000, a donation to their initiative or an initiative of their choice. Thank you very much to all of this year's nominees. Your work is impressive and incredibly important, especially during the pandemic. Marcel and I have had the privilege of being a part of this award since its inception. This year, as Mary mentioned, Marcel will be retiring, and I wanted to take a moment to thank Marcel for his dedication to health and the safety and well-being of everyone in our industry. His work leading important safety initiatives with CASA and his work in collaboration with CFA, with CARC, and with many other national associations has been invaluable. So thank you very much, Marcel. And now over to you, Marcel, to announce this year's winner for the Champions of Agricultural Mental Health Award.
So thank you very much for those kind words, Portia. And Mary and Portia, you're right. This is probably my last official act as outgoing executive director, but today's not about me. La récipiendaire du prix Brigitte Rivoire des Champions.
The recipient of the Brigitte Rivoire Prize for Agriculture this year started his career in the field of agricultural counseling when she realized that there were really no services available for farmers in Ontario. Since then, she has played an important role in putting together a program for the well-being of farmers in order to offer counseling and education and mental health services that are adapted for the farming community in Ontario.
Initiatives are so important as they directly address the gaps in mental health support programs that many farmers communities face. They help to normalize the discussion of mental health in our communities and reduce the stigma around admitting that you are struggling. So with that, I'm happy to present the Brigitte Rivoire Award to Deborah Van Berkel and the Farmer Wellness Program of Ontario. Congratulations, Deborah, and I give the floor to you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate everything that's happening at this very moment. And I'm so thankful that the Farmer Wellness Program has been recognized and that I'm the recipient of this award. There's been a lot of work and a lot of heart put into the development of this program by the Lennox and Addington Federation. That's near and dear to my heart. And I'm so grateful to be a part of this team. So I'm very happy to present this to you. So it's just a couple of slides to be able to kind of outline what we've been doing in our area. So as it stands right now, this is mental health services designed for agriculture. So with that, if we look at what the need is, we'll go talking about farmers and looking at the increased amount of stressors that are occurring on a daily basis. And so with that, the uncertainty of the economies and with the markets, and all of the different things that are happening. There was something that kind of drew me into being able to create and design a program that was tailored for the rural agriculture, so people in agriculture and the rural activities. So the fact that there's barriers that they face, so the stigma piece and the fact that there's no services available in the rural area, we created the Farmer Wellness Program. This was based on the statistics as well that were provided from Dr. Brianna Hagen, and as well as Dr. Andrea Bitten-Jones with the statistics. And we've all seen what those statistics are. So as you can see on the next slide, it shows the stats for the agricultural producers. And so looking at, with the 60%, so meeting the symptoms of anxiety, we have the depression, we have the stressors, right? The biggest thing is looking at the 40% of respondents who did not feel comfortable enough to access services. And that was the biggest indicator for me that there was a need in this area. So with that, we kind of created the Farmer Wellness Program. So as you can see, the Farmer Wellness Program is offered it was piloted in 2019 in our area, so in the Lennox and Addington Federation area, and currently is expanded into 5 other counties. And what it's doing is offering services that are specifically tailored for the producers. So it's being funded by each federation locally, and it's providing members services at no cost. And it's kind of like similar to what we would know in sort of the non-agriculture community as what an EAP is, so an employee assistance program. So being able to offer something at no charge so that they have somewhere to go. And as you can see in the next slide, it's looking at services being provided by someone who has the information. So meaning they have the ag background, they're also a skilled clinician. The other thing that we're doing to kind of take away those barriers is offering no wait lists and immediate accessible services. So what I'm able to do is go on site if need be. I'm able to provide services virtually. I'm able to provide services over the phone, meeting the farmer, meeting the agricultural producer where they're at. And that is the biggest thing that we want to be able to do, is provide that comfort, provide that ease. So also offering different and flexible times. So it's not always that straight 9 to 5. We're offering, when you're done chores, there's a lot of times that they're in the evenings. There's a lot of times that it can be done on the weekends, even first thing in the morning. So we're really trying to eliminate all of those barriers so that farmers have that accessible mental health service, so that they are comfortable, so that they know that it's being tailored for them. And for the people that really want to get some more information, you can see at the bottom of the slide that the farmerwellnessprogram.ca, and a lot of the information is on there. I'm also able to provide additional information if people wanted to contact me directly. So again, I really just want to thank the Federation. I really, really want to thank the team, everybody that's been a part of this, and the farmers for responding so well and accessing services, because it's all about them. And I really appreciate it, and thank you for the opportunity today.
Congratulations, Deborah. That's amazing. I really appreciate your comments on removing barriers, because we certainly know at CFA we've spoken with different providers, and one of the big concerns is that people just don't understand the seasonality, the timeliness within a day, and the different pressures that happen within agriculture. And I think it's probably fair to speak broadly and say all of us have either struggled or know someone close to us who has. So thank you so much, and congratulations on your award. Thank you, Portia, Marcel, for being involved in this, and all of the best to you, Marcel. We're really, guess it's bittersweet that your last official duty is with us, so we'll take it. And thank you so much for everything you've done over the years. Appreciate it.